Welcome back to another video. In today's video, we are going to be changing out the shifter well, or the Cravenspeed shift well that replaces the leather boot or the Alcantara boot. We're going to be replacing that and going back to a boot style because the shifter well is very noisy. So this is a ride to show you how it's noisy if you haven't seen it in any of my other videos. Pretty much every little bump this is rubbing. For removal for me will be very simple. Because of the shift well here, I can just stick my hands under here, my fingers. Pull up. Put it in neutral. And it's removed. Now I will need to remove the knob, of course, to get the thing over. I will need to remove this, and I will be adding back the little white piece of foam that goes here. That had to be removed for this to work here. And then this here screws on here with these 4 screws here, or two on this side, and then it slides in over here on these little fingers here, just like the little ring that you put your boot in. Okay, so those are the fingers I was telling you about slip in. Over here is where this ring is with the screws, but we need to remove this from here. It slips in over top of these little grooves here, so we can add the Alcantara shift boot. So it's been so long since I've done this. I think these 3 little fingers here come up this way and come out like this, and that's what holds it in there. Comment below if I've done it wrong, if those were supposed to go back this way and this square was just supposed to come up, but I think this is right. Now I did get the genuine Mazda. This is the one with the white stitch or the grayish colored stitch for the newer style cars. Here's the part number if you need the white grayish stitch. When reinstalling this, you'll see 2 that are long like this. One there and one there. Those will go over this here because it's bigger, or else it will not line up, these 2 bolt ones, the ones with the 2 screw holes, or else it will not line up around and clip in all the other little clips here. So where this little ring is here, this little indentation, you're going to zip tie that to this boot here from in here, and then it just kind of holds it there, and you just tighten it down to where it's supposed to be. But you want to put a little Loctite on your nut, on your little shaft here too, so that this will be Loctited. And then you line it up to where you want to go, and you're good to go. So looks pretty good. It kind of bunches up in different gears because of the short throw. I did try shortening the material, the fabric, with the zip tie on it. Looked too tight and didn't look like it was going to work right. And the picture again from Cravenspeed had it going down, dipping down in. So that's what we have when we're in neutral here, dipping down in. So I guess that's just the way they are with short throw shifters, these boots. This is a stretch of road that it was clicking and clanking on before. That's just the road and the stiff suspension. No more noise out of the shifter. All in all, I think the shifter boot install is a win because now it is not making any noise any longer. So I'm glad I changed it out. So if you are looking for the Cravenspeed shift well, I do not recommend it if you do not want to have a noisy car. Thanks for watching this week's video. Please like and subscribe. Have a great week.